Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to prepare this simple placket with a zigzag design on it. This is the latest form of placket, so I will take you all the way to achieve this. Please don't go anywhere, stay with me as we work together. Let's proceed to work right now. So I will commence by running stitch on this fabric. This is what I'll be using for the placket, the zigzag on the placket. So I will fold this way. I will fold the fabric into two, make sure they are equal, and I will measure ½ inch. I will take out ½ inch from this point, mark ½ inch. So I will start to run stitch on it. I want to make sure that the stitch is straight, so that is why I'm marking out the ½ inch, and I'm following the line which I have marked out to sew, to make sure that I have a straight sewing. So I'm marking a ½ inch. I will sew along the ½ inch. So I'm done with the sewing. The next thing I will do is to trim here off, to trim it. So I will take it to the pressing table and open press this place. We open press here. So let's move to the table. So I will commence by open pressing this. So if you are not using a steam iron, you apply water and watch you are pressing. And currently I'm not using a steam iron, so the iron which I'm using, I'm making use of it because this is generator, so I have to apply water. So I'm done with the open pressing. So what I will do is I will run stitch here, and I will now turn it with an iron spoke. So you get an iron spoke just like this, and or you use a stick or broom to turn it. So the next thing we do is to press at the center of this. You spray it while the joining will be at the center. As you are ironing it, the joining will be at the center. You use your stretcher or your smoother to stretch it. So the next thing, I'm done with this. The next thing I'm going to do, this is for the placket, and this is the measurement for the placket. I cut out the fabric. This is 4.75 on each of the sides, 4.75, and the length is 18 inches. And this is the stiff, which I have already cut out. I've already cut out the stiff, and the measurement of the stiff, this is 1.25 or one quarter. So, and the length of the stiff is 15 inches. So I will iron this. I'm going to iron it. I'm going to iron this. So I'm done with this. I will fold here. I will use my smoother stretcher to iron, and I will also iron this side. So I'm done with this. So I will now start by preparing we have already prepared, and you can see the joining at the middle. You can see the joining. So now this joining is going to be facing up. The first thing you have to do is that while preparing this, you make sure that you cut it, at least let it be times two of this, times 2 of the stiff which you are using. But to be at the safer side, you can equally make it times 2.5. of the stiff which you have already prepared. So we will start. I will start by forming the zigzag that will be in the front, on the front of this. So now I told you that the joining will be facing up. I want you to watch very careful. There is a way you will place it, you will not get it. If you place it this way, you will find it difficult to control it. If you should place it, if you should start folding this way, you will find it difficult to control or to form it. I want you to be observant on what I want to do now. You pick it this way, and you turn it this way. Look at what I'm doing. This will be like this. You can see it. But before I start forming it, I have to measure out 2 inches upward. From here is 2 inches. I will hold it this way, and the arrow mouth will be here. This is the arrow mouth. You can see it. So if you start this way, this is a good starting to start this way. So I will iron it, and while folding, your fingers has to be at work. So I will commence now. I have already started. You can see the first arrow. There is the first arrow mouth. Then I fold it this way. I want you to be very observant in what I'm doing. This thing can take time, but it is better we take time to get what we want to get. And I want you to also know that while preparing it, you don't need to be stretching it. If you stretch it, you will not get the exact thing you want to achieve. You will not get the exact thing you want to achieve. So what I will do, I will not stretch it much, just as I told you. I will not fold it this way. Be observant and watch very carefully. Your finger will be at work. You fold it this way. You apply your iron. And you use your smoother to smooth it or to stretch it so that it will relax. You can see it. So we continue. We continue with it. can see how it's going. I will shift it closer to myself and I will continue. I told you that it's time consuming, but you have to take your time to make sure you achieve it. So you have to remember that the length of the stiff is 15 inches. So after this, I will take the measurement to see if we have gotten to what we need. And as we projected 2 inches upward, the same thing we project downward. So you can see it. We are up to the measurement is even more than what we wanted. So I'll be cutting it from here, but the next thing we do is to take it to machine. This is 15. I will lose this side. So we are done with this. I will take it to the machine to sew it. So I would like you to stay with me while I carry out the sewing. We are back on our machine. We start running the stitch to hold it. So and while running, we run at the tip of it. So the first thing you are going to do, you will run stitch at the center, this center first, to hold the zigzag. So I'm done with it. You can see it. So the next thing I will do is to take it to the table and iron it to be smooth. After then, I'm good to go. I can now fix it on my senator wear, but I will not be showing how to fix it right now. I just want to show you how to achieve this type of placket with a zigzag design on it. And of course, this placket, it will be having a piped neck. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and see you on my next video.